Hello and hi, my name is Nohafiza binti Muhammad Nazam. My metro ID is CC18151. I am from section C22. Today, I would like to show one of my website page that called Halal Daebak Chicken. This website system is a platform for ordering fast food because we know that many people this day want to save their time and energy, especially for those busy people that don't have time to take their meal. So we provide this website to help them to make their work become easier. There are two web pages that I have provided. First is home and second is order food. This is the main interface of Halal Daebak Chicken. There are three types of menu. For example, Korean fried chicken, chicken chop and chicken rice. They also have their own unique price and their own food image. So we proceed to the next page. It is the order food web page that you are required to fill in the information below. They have a 8 form that you need to fill in and select, such as a name, email, contact number, home address, service option, food menu option that you can choose one or you can choose all, and the quantity, payment option, and insert your comment is the optional. So they have two buttons, it is submit and reset. And then as the customer, you need to enter your name and so on. So for example, I want to enter my name as the admin. When I click the button submit, it will become the pop-up that is email must be filled in. So I need to fill in the form below that empty and choose the service option that is self pickup or delivery service. So I choose delivery service and then click the text box button and put the quantity. And then you can choose payment option just like we saw, and then put add-on. If you want to reset, it become like this, empty all of the form. And if you want to proceed, you can put back what your information. And choose your payment option again, put the add-on and then submit. So done. Thanks for your order, enjoy your food. I think that's all from me. So thank you for listening and enjoy your day. Thank you.